Good morning, my dear 11th students. Today we will see Unit 6, The Hollow Crown, written by William Shakespeare. So, regarding this poem, let us see the historical background of this poem. What is the historical background? So, the poem is an extract from William Shakespeare's play King Richard II. This drama is based on true events that occurred towards the end of the 14th century. So Richard II, actually he was the king of England. He was crowned as the king of England in the year 1367. He continued to be the British monarch, that means the king, until the year 1399 when he was deposed by his cousin Henry of Bolingbroke, who crowned himself King Henry IV in the same year. So, he has cheated the Richard and he crowned himself as the King Henry IV in the same year, that is 1399. So, this Shakespeare's play is a monologue. So, this play is a dramatic rendition of the last 2 years of King Richard II's life. It portrays about the tragic life of the King Richard during the last 2 years when he loses his crown. In this brief span of time, he was ousted from his royal position and sent to prison where he died in captivity. So, it is a very sad poem, but it realizes, this poem realizes, reveals the truth from the heart of the King Richard. So this extract of this poem, the given poem in your textbook, is set in the coast of Wales. The King Richard and some of his followers, that means here well-wishers, followers means well-wishers, they awaited the arrival of Welsh army, but that army did not help them. After facing defeat from his own cousin Bolingbroke, that is 10,000 warriors. There were 10,000 warriors in that army. Now, these people were waiting for the help from the Welsh army, but to their shock and surprise, they received the message that the army was not coming to their rescue. The King Richard is not rescued by the army of Welsh. So, his followers tried to boost their king's courage against the news, only in vain. So, the well-wishers are always, they will say, good will happen, king, don't worry like that. But it is in vain, waste. Vain means waste. So, Richard came face to face. He faced the reality. When the King Richard faced the reality of his terrible fate, he spoke the following verse, that is given in the text, famously known as the Hollow Crown. The speech in theatrical circles, in it, King Richard is reminded of the power of death that overshadows everything else, including the power of rulers, and renders them as powerless as any commoner at a moment's notice. So, death, when death comes at the doorstep of, when you are seeing the death in your face, then you will realize that even the king, for every person, from the king to the common person or the beggar, death is equal to all. So, this king is realizing and saying this verse during this Hollow Crown speech. This is the extract, students.